'Tis an ancient proverbial truth that it requires but one dead apple to rot an entire barrel. And I come to believe it requires but one apple to make this whole land equally rotten. Though not just any apple, but the malum. The icon of the apple runs through almost every image we have of the Grand Rite. The Grand Rite brings about death. Death on a mass scale. We know little of its operation, nor the mechanism of magic that unleashes the death that follows. Only this one enigmatically simple sentence. Malum es aperta. The evil begins. But I have been misreading it all these years. We all have, my father included. Malum means evil, but equally apple. And I now believe the sentence to read, the apple opens, and by implication unleashes the death that results. I believe I have seen that apple, or the box that contains it, in the house of John Alden.